how to turn off YouTube autoplay. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Here, go ahead and tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen, and under the video and audio preferences tab, you will see the playback option. Tap on that and you will see the option for autoplay next video. Make sure the toggle button for autoplay next video is toggled off in order to disable YouTube autoplay. So this is how you can turn off YouTube autoplay. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.